Hey all, Andrew here from Geeksignals, and today I've just got back from Gadget Show Live, and whilst I was there I bought a Cherry G80 in white. So let's dive on into the unboxing. All you get inside the beautiful brown OEM box is the Cherry G80 itself. Now the Cherry G80 is a mechanical keyboard that uses Cherry's blue MX switches, so these are the ones that have got the click. This is more of a typist's keyboard than a gamer's one. They do make a gamer's keyboard, it's black and uses the Cherry red switches, which are silent. They don't make the irritating, or what some call the irritating click noise. They're silent and have a slightly lighter key actuation. So this I picked up for £30 today from Cherry. This was a Gadget Show Live only deal, and yeah, so far it looks very good to me. I do like the white. It does look very similar to one of the old IBM Model M's. And what else do you get? You get the cord all nicely wrapped up. That's a very long cord. And you get a female USB to male PS2 adapter, and then there's the USB cable that plugs into your computer. On the back you've got the keyboard feet, so it stands up. And yes, overall this is a fairly weighty keyboard. It's large, so it will take up a lot of desk space. I've had to move down from the loft today to unbox this because the desk in the loft won't cope with this when doing an unboxing of this. But it will be on the desk up there. And yes, that's the Cherry G80. I will be doing a review on this soon once I've got my new 1020 review out of the way. And yes, this seems like a very nice keyboard and will probably last me. This will probably be the last keyboard I buy, actually, because this has a key actuation count of around 50 million key actuations, which is very nice. So yes, that's my unboxing of the Cherry G80. Oh, got technical data in the box. Yes, that's my unboxing of the Cherry G80. If you like this video, hit the like button down below. If you want to keep up to date with more news and reviews and unboxings from us at Geeksignals, click the subscribe button. So yes, thanks for watching, and goodbye.